A 5-liter cleaning solution contains 30% bleach. So that's the part. And then we have a 3-liter cleaning solution containing 50% bleach, and that is another part. What percent of bleach is obtained by putting the two mixtures together? So first we have 5 liters in the first mixture and 3 liters in the second mixture, which creates a total of 8 liters in the third mixture. The first set of solution has 30% bleach, so that's going to be 0.3, 30% written as a decimal. The second has 50% bleach, which is 0.5, 50% written as a decimal. We're trying to figure out what percent goes with the total combination. So if we did 0.3 times 5, we would get 1.5, and 0.5 times 3 is also 1.5. P times 8 is just 8p. If we add 1.5 and 1.5, we get 3. So it says 3 equals 8p. Now we divide both sides by 8, and we get p equals 0.375. But we want to know what it is as a percent. So we move the decimal 2 spots, which is 37.5%. Number 2. Number 2 has a container filled with 100 grams of bird feed, and it's 80%. 80% as a decimal is 0.8. It says how many grams of bird feed containing 5%, 5% is 0.5 as a decimal, and we're looking for how much seed, we're going to use G for the grams of seed, is added to get the bird feed that is 40% seed. 40% is 0.4, and we're looking for the total number of grams, which is going to be the 100 from the first piece and the amount from the second piece. 0.8 times 100 is 80. 0.4 times 100 is 40. Plus, we also have to do the G times 0.4 using the distributive property. Now we want to get our number pieces on the same side and our variable pieces on the same side. 40 minus 40 is 0. 0.05G minus 0.05G is 0. 80 minus 40 is 40. 0.4 minus 0.05 is going to be 0.35. And then we'll divide both sides by 0.35, which gives us G equals about 114.3 grams.